Today, I'm going to demystify what Cloudflare is and show you exactly how you can use this free tool to make your website significantly faster and more secure with just a few simple steps. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to boost your site's speed and security. Keep your visitors happy and sleep a lot easier knowing you're protected all at zero cost. Let's dive right in and talk about how to improve your site's speed with Cloudflare's most valuable free features. First up is caching. This step is a real game changer. When you enable caching, Cloudflare stores copies of your images and files on servers that are geographically closer to your visitors. So if someone visits your site from Japan and your main server is in New York, they're not waiting for files to cross the globe. Cloudflare just hands them a local copy. This dramatically reduces the loading lag and creates a snappier experience for everyone, no matter where they're browsing from. Next, we have a feature called Auto Minify. Now it's common for websites to accumulate lots of extra spaces, comments, and characters in their code, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that browsers don't actually need. Think of it like cleaning out the clutter in your garage. Auto Minify sweeps out all the unnecessary stuff, shrinking down your website's code. And when your files are smaller, they load faster. Even tiny time savings add up when someone is waiting for your page to appear. So this small tweak can make a much bigger difference than most people realize. After that, let's talk about Rocket Loader. Loading JavaScript files is often the bottleneck that slows down websites, kind of like waiting for a few slow cars before everyone else can get moving at a green light. Rocket Loader tells your site's text and images to show up fast, while handling the JavaScript in a smarter, more efficient way behind the scenes. The result, your website looks and feels significantly quicker, especially on mobile devices or slower connections. Brotli is another powerful tool in Cloudflare's speed arsenal. It's an advanced compression method. Imagine squeezing all the air out of a bag to make it as small as possible. Brotli does exactly that, but with your data, so everything transfers more quickly between the server and your users. Best part, you just click a button to turn it on, and all your site visitors benefit from faster loading without you changing a thing. Let's move to security, because there's no point having a speedy website if it's not safe for you or your visitors. Cloudflare gives you free SSL, which means your site is locked down with HTTPS. This encrypts information, so things like passwords or payment details are safe from snooping. You've probably seen that padlock icon in your browser's address bar. Turning on SSL is what puts it there. And honestly, these days visitors expect it. Cloudflare also offers automatic DDoS protection. DDoS attacks are like a traffic jam caused by thousands of fake visitors, all trying to crash your website at once. With Cloudflare's free protection, their network takes the hit, not yours, so your real customers can always reach your site without a hitch, even during an attack. Lastly, let's touch on bot fight mode. The internet is full of bots trying to scrape your content or look for security holes. Bot fight mode acts like a bouncer at a nightclub, blocking the shady bots so only legitimate visitors get in. You don't have to do anything special, just switch it on and Cloudflare handles the rest. And that's the magic. With these simple, free Cloudflare features, your website will load quicker and be much tougher for hackers or scammers to mess with. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit the like button. Drop a comment if you have any questions or want to share your own Cloudflare experiences. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials that make tech work for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.